Hi there, this is Architect David. Welcome to Arkida, where you can learn anything and everything about construction.
This video discusses about the building skin, which is actually the facade or the external finishes of a building. Heavyweight facades. As its name indicates, this type of facade tends to be made up of construction materials of considerable weight. For a facade to be considered heavyweight, the average weight, including the solid and hollow elements, must be above 100 kilograms per square meter. Within this category, we find different types of facades which, depending on the thermal insulation needs, may be load-bearing or self-supporting and may or may not have an air chamber. Prefabricated. This type of facade is formed mainly of prefabricated modules that are joined together or assembled on site. The components of these facades are manufactured industrially in highly mechanized plants, and they often use wood and concrete panels. The main advantage of this type of facade are the speed and ease of installation, as well as a lower cost compared to the other systems. In terms of the disadvantages, the design options are more limited and there is a minimum volume of work required in order to make it viable. Prefabricated facades are usually used in industrial factories and large shopping centers. Traditional. This classification includes facades that use traditional construction materials such as brick, stone, wood, ceramics, rendering, etc. The benefits are that they are less complex to build, quick to install, and have a low cost. On the other hand, since classic facades do not have an air chamber or insulation, they provide less heat and sound insulation, which means fewer energy savings. ETI systems, or external thermal insulation systems, consist of installing plates of insulation material all around the building, which are protected by mortar and adhered or mechanically fixed to the supporting wall. The system is then finished off with a cladding or finish that suits the aesthetics of the property. The most frequently used materials in the insulation aspect of an ETI systems are expanded polystyrene or EPS, extruded polystyrene or XPS, graphite expanded polystyrene or EPS-G, and mineral wool or MW. Since the ETI system has an insulation layer, it reduces thermal bridges and the risk of condensation. It is therefore an option that provides a good level of efficiency for its price, since no costs are deriving from a framework system. And the last is Rainscreen cladding. The Rainscreen cladding or ventilated facade system is made up of a load-bearing wall, an insulation layer, and the cladding material, which is fixed to the building using a supporting structure. The main difference between this and the ETI system is that it has an air cavity between the load-bearing wall and the cladding material. Even though this system is more costly and complex to install, most of the time it is cost-effective, since the air gap is responsible for many of the benefits of the Rainscreen cladding. The chimney effect, which occurs inside the air cavity, means that hot air rises and exits through the top of the facade. In the summer months, this phenomena of natural convection means that the air is renewed, which prevents overheating. On the other hand, in winter, the air does not warm up as much and remains inside the house. The heat does not escape, which contributes to energy savings from heating. Furthermore, Rainscreen cladding provides an extra layer of protection against condensation and water infiltration, as well as helping to reduce the appearance of cracks and fissures in the building, since it suffers fewer temperature changes. These are just some of the reasons why the ventilated Rainscreen cladding is the most efficient external facade system currently available. Well, I hope you've learned something new today. Watch out for my next video.
Click the subscribe button to discover all the other videos in this site. Click the notification bell to be notified about new videos that we post. Press the like button to share this video to your friends. If you have additional comments, please post them down below or at our Arkida Facebook page, and I will answer all your queries. Thank you.